1410 if you're down. She's from the she just left with her dreams, and I don't wanna cause a scene. Bright eyes, CD player bumping Jay-Z, jet skis, big bowling in the water. Yet I'm still looking for somebody's daughter. Across the street, to the beach, she came over here just to talk to me. She said, "Did you feel me?"
Homegirl look like the Hollywood chick, pink bandana, her up north grandma. I'm the dream girl, break it down. That's it, girl, rock and bounce. It's for them chicks in the six all around the world. For a Midwest girl, you got a big chest, girl.
Until you holler, let's go. Hey girl, you're looking good. Hey girl, work it just like you should. Hey girl, you're so fine. Don't you wanna be by my side? Hey girl, you're looking good. Hey girl, work it just like you should. Hey girl, you're so fine. Don't you wanna be by my side? This girl is so pretty, so let's do it till the sun goes. Be like a baby. Until you holler, let's go. This girl is so pretty, so let's do it till you come close.
DJ LBR.
Until you holler, let's go. It's 12 o'clock and we just flew. The hotel just sent up the head. Throw the rooms on the meet me in the lounge. Grab my high, said I'm ready to pound. Soon as I walked out my door, oh yeah man, there she goes. Saw a fire on the 14th floor. Said, hey, and my said, oh, she feeling me. Your walk is killing me. Girl, you're looking good. I know you're not from my hood. I know you are ways from home. You don't have to be alone. Baby, I'll be around. 1410 if you're down. She's from the
doon ang fitness center, nadaanan nyo sa papuntang ng center. Pero mga pipinin ko
This is a typical case. Payat na yun. Lalo yung smoker, no? Mga COPD, mapayat na sila.
may bumaba ako.
Proper breathing. This one is stabilization. Okay? These are the mechanical ventilators. Okay, medyo sophisticated talaga. Hindi na katulad ng araw na ang lalaki, tapos yung bedos, ang hingay-hingay pa. No? Yan, artificial, kahit pa. Sigado siya pala. you are going to give them medicines, they will sell it. Kaya na-put up ang DOTS. Kasi matitigas ang ulo ng mga Pilipino. Diba? Especially in the service ward. If you will ask them to buy medicines, wala sila. Pero may pang-tompins yan. Alam na ako dito. Kasi wala ka bang ano dyan? Oh, puberty catheter is like this, no? It's a small catheter. So if there's bleeding, they will just insert this by using this scope. So kung dalawa, magkaiba, pwedeng dalawa rin yung password. All you have to do is to inflate that. Inflate. Kasi meron ba din siya sa dulo. Yes, pwede. 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 Hindi, left out. Linak mo naman yung paghinga ng pasyente. Hindi ma'am, pwede kasi 2 catheter at a time. So, dito lang, so isang ano lang. Hindi pwede magkabila. So, it costs 12,000. Assisting this procedure, if the doctor will tell you open, you just follow the instruction. Open, then close. Pupunin niya na yan. Then you have to prepare your materials. Pag meron ng tissue dyan, you place that in a container to send to the laboratory for examination. Or histopathy. Ha? Iba-iba lang yung dulo nila. Pwedeng alligator or plain forceps. We have also the brushing. May brushing din sila. For cytology naman, dun sa anong class yan? Slides. Slides.
When you take TB drugs, kailangan yan religiously. Hindi yung ito ka ngayon, bukas, magiging FDR ka. Hirap mo. Okay? Kaya kung may relatives kayo, supervise nyo na rin sila. Ha? Huwag yung i-advise nyo na paano gagawin para mag-cure natin ng TB, ma-prevent natin ng TB. Okay? Kasi yan ang goal ng Department of Health and WHO. Kasi marami pa rin ang lakay. And also, healthy chicks natin as nurses. Mga isipin nila, siguro ma-observe nyo dito sa MCT, meron kami grass can for para hindi sila kung saan-saan na lang. Saan-saan na lang. Okay? Kaya meron kami dito. Okay, ma-observe nyo along the way, kung saan kayo mapunta. Okay? Okay? Remember your healthy chicks, ha? And for healthy patients, meron kami asthma, campaign, meron sa kami, asthma club. You just call us. Hindi nyo na po kayong mga pangalan niya. Just call us. Para connect namin kayo. Okay? Stop smoking. Stop cessation. Smoking cessation. Okay?